Network scanning overview, mechanics, types, key tools. Network scanning is the process of assessing a network to identify active devices, services running on those devices, and potential vulnerabilities. This is done by sending packets of data to target devices and analyzing the responses. Types of network scanning. There are several types of network scanning techniques, including port scanning, IP scanning, and network traffic scanning. Port scanning involves probing a network to discover open ports on a device, which can be used to identify potential entry points for hackers. IP scanning is used to locate and identify devices on a network by their IP addresses. Essential network scanning tools. To perform network scanning effectively, a variety of tools are available that cater to different scanning needs. Some of the essential tools include network mapping tools, network scanning utilities, and network scanning devices. Benefits of network scanning. Network scanning plays a crucial role in enhancing network security by proactively identifying vulnerabilities and security weaknesses. By conducting regular scans, organizations can assess their network security posture and take corrective actions to mitigate potential risks. Network security scanning. Network security scanning is a subset of network scanning that specifically focuses on identifying security vulnerabilities and weaknesses within a network. This includes scanning for outdated software, misconfigured devices, weak passwords, and other potential security risks that could be exploited by attackers. Importance of network scanning. By proactively scanning for vulnerabilities and weaknesses, organizations can prevent potential cyber attacks, data breaches, and other security incidents. Conclusion. In conclusion, network scanning is a vital component of network security that helps organizations in identifying vulnerabilities, assessing risks, and maintaining a secure network environment.